Ciao ragazzi, I'm Benedetta, welcome back to my channel. For this December, I didn't want to make all those recipes that everybody already seen, even too many times. I wanted to give space to those Italian recipes that are less known, that are still part of the Christmas table. Not only traditional recipe, but easy, using leftovers when possible, from the north until the south of Italy. And for the grand finale of this 2018, I want to share with you a sweet recipe directly from Basilcata. Of course, also for this time, I involved my friends from Scanzano Ionico, a small city in Basilcata. Before getting started, don't forget to click on the bell button to get a notification every time there are new content, of course, new Italian recipes. And now, let's start to make cartellate. First of all, let's make the dough. It's just a matter of 4 ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, and strutto, which is lard. If you can't find at a supermarket, ask to your butcher and I'm sure he's gonna get you a nice lard.
Mix together the flour and the strutto, creating a sandy texture, like you were making scones, for example, using your fingertips. Add sugar and add the 5 eggs. Start to combine everything in the bowl. Then keep kneading on a wooden board. Once the dough is soft and uniform, cover with foil and let it rest for 30 minutes. Take a piece of the dough, flat it with your hands, and then let it pass through the pasta machine.
To roll out the dough into long stripes, I'm gonna use the pasta machine tool of my KitchenAid, but of course you can use the rolling pin or the manual pasta machine, no problem at all.
Start from the lowest number 1. The perfect thickness is number 5. This dough is quite soft, humid and sticky, so as you can see, I follow the pasta, keeping it with my hands until the whole piece went through the pasta machine. At the last step, I let the dough pass through twice. With a pasta wheel cutter with crimped edges, I remove the final parts of the stripe, trying to make an even rectangular shape. Then I create long stripes of more or less 2 centimeters thickness. And now pinch the stripe along the length as I'm doing here. Roll on itself the stripe, pinching the small hollow together. Here our first cartellate. Okay, I show you again how to make them. Pinch the stripe, creating small hollows. Roll on itself the stripe, pinching together the small hollows. And here's another cartellata.
We created our cartellate. Now we need to wait for them to get dry. So leave them on a tray without covering them for a night. And then tomorrow morning we can fry them.
Pour a liter of extra virgin olive oil into a big pot.
We are gonna fry them with olive oil, but of course you can use also sunflower oil if you prefer.
When dipping into the hot oil a wooden spoon, you will see small bubbles rising on it. Then your oil is ready. Throw gently 3 or 4 cartellate in the hot oil. Let them get in golden brown. Then I remove them and place them inside a bowl covered with kitchen paper. Keep going like this, frying all the cartellate.
Remember, after having used the olive oil or any kind of fat to cook, let it cool completely, then dispose of it according to the local regulations. Maybe there is a collecting point for cooking oil in your city.
Then let them cool down, and finally you can serve cartellate, simply with some icing sugar, or with some honey that I place in a pot with a tablespoon of water and almond flakes. Cartellate can last for many days, so you can enjoy them for breakfast during these holiday mornings or serve them at the end of the New Year's Eve dinner. As usual, thumb up if you enjoyed this recipe. I wish you a wonderful New Year's Eve. See you with the new Italian recipes in the next year, and buon appetito!